Good day traders. I will show you some of my profitable Bitcoin trading with IQ option. This is not binary or fixed time trade. It is a crypto trading with a multiplier of 100. It is also a risky trading strategy. But if you do it well, then you can boost your profit 3 times higher than your normal trades. I am using the DreamX trading indicator. If you want to download the indicator, see the description below to download. The DreamX indicator will help you find the best momentum of the BTC market. Take a look at the Metatrader 4 window. The DreamX indicator produced previous red color line. Since the market is at the balanced state, not in downtrend nor uptrend, you can also trade on which direction you want. Since the BTC is moving fast and fluctuates easily, for this trade I go or buy. For this strategy, I take the higher multiplier with an investment of $500 per trade. I can manage my winnings then loss. I also trade with no lose for a day with these method. I used to take my profit when it hits my specific target, which was 5%. You can also use your balance to keep the position open. It is best to set your specific loss if you have limited investment. But if you keep your position open, you can wait your trade done up to hours. It is already past the green dash line. Is it a bug in IQ option? Or it is designed for their auto close feature? Got our profit. Let's trade another position. See the whole video on how I did the simple method of my trading strategy. Support my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you.